Ebushafo Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo Yako and then same way.
Opposition. Ebe mo adwa befie. Kofo bebre. I realize listen, the MPP is the best option. Let's all come together. You need to know it won't come at once.
Obi a meeting. Obi
Yeah.
kotua 2 billion Emma Ashanti easy for. This time no yet to say the 2024 no na ye to abani wie na doctors who will be amra allow that so-called Alex Tetteh betina doctor can pay bass more was say pie koka say doctor a man no mo fe no doctor no enye say biom. It is a wuni a woto double standard say wo wa ha so obi ba be krokro say bra MPP a enye say biom.
That one there. That
Enye say biom. Wo besi after so kwa. Ye me pa obi acho.
and you see what Mama Pounds is saying, voice,
Yes.
is the truth. Sebi, voice. We need to also be joining MPP. Been a force also be joining MPP. Willingly, and I be joining MPP. I joined MPP willingly because I have the freedom of association. Ya call election. Ya tuwe. What do we willingly now joining MPP? Willingly, we say no one can force anybody. The constitution has already given MPP constitution. No, I'm say if someone wants to rejoin the party again, obey to me. So the constitution has given you the leeway to still come back. So this is not the time say you be pancrofacho. You join willingly, you can live willingly. Yes, politics is a game of numbers, but if you know that politics is a game of positive numbers, we have positive numbers and we have negative numbers. Policies is a game of positive numbers. And like when you force someone to join, how and then are you sure that the person is joining with his heart? Say I'm like the me the makuma na. But when the person willingly says, "So I'm doing for the party," no, they will join.
But vote.
Thank you.
Yo, me that say, honorable, just let me hear your reaction. I think, say, we are all speaking the same angle, aren't we?
Okay. As my sister is still saying, say, on the my empire, no. Message no. I say, yeah, joining ko baako. Ana ya on na bi mo de yesa. Obi wa etu na de kakra ana ne kasa kasa de ana ne ka.
Me no. Somebody like Alex Tetteh, obeda ko panic also omra MPP.
Money why empower. Any view.
The Alex Tetteh no be cry more than that, but then nipa ko ni asamba MPP mo. Say your party mu na your papa afoko. Your papa mo free party head office. Come na Japan da na yo mo. What I say, but then they are back. What I say.
They were not critical on the government.
If you say
the boys, I will get back to you. I think we are on this page to learn.
Yes.
And make sure we will make the party look beautiful so that we can bring more people on to the party. What I say, yes, you were madam. The American say we need numbers. We lost over 2.1 million votes, which we need that numbers back. And you know, obi ebetimi na kasa na akoma akosoro ebetimi na kasa amaya sanje no. We need to welcome that person. We need to talk to that person. And my say, yeah, omo kwa enjoy no monko. No. Enya possible. Wonso obia wo busua, obia wo do feeding no. So I just say bia me feeding nipa be miensa na mienu. Na ose emunja me na me nkwa. Sa nipa mienu me so me kwa influence sa nipa mienu no. Ebia sa nipa mienu na ko beto ma MPP but me nti ebia no akwa tweet ya MPP. So I just say enti yes ye no mukasa. So I'm being honest to you and then DMB ne one or two of the executives ne Council of State for Council of Elders for Nibi. Yeah, one or two moves it's going to make the party attractive. I'm being honest to you. Omu movie at a marine move which ever boa party no. Say because ye jauma. Trust me, a bit disturbing. And me ba message Unimobi nasa sebe why na dwen say the base no and obeko and okọ afafranto kra na try to talk to the person man ba ko na nti party na se enye say ayedi akoma beka say obeko akọ politics is all about numbers it's 50 plus 1 why it measure me that say
That's honorable, and thanks for coming through with that submission. Maya, good evening.
Good evening, voice.
Yes.
Was I was for me, Chicho Bibia?
So you feel, Papa.
Oh, voice, a woman say, party no, politics is about numbers, but numbers na positive numbers. And am I, if we are saying, nipa da se ni timitna se, ebo ni tirimu pose mi media bra. Me voice me kame nkwa nka me sa enkofo nkwa mamu discuss wo mo platforms because ade bia no wo kan na ekonkrofo asom ba sama mo mu din no ma nya yi because voice anya bia election ye ne na anu yi no obi chinchim obi nsa obi enchinchim obi nsa obi ye obi bibi eye nipa ne se ono de awie nti na se ote ne ho ana ase bibi hwe voice wo nipa bi no mo ho a mo te party mo ma yo ma dwen se nya omo a se nya omo ade a eye obi onye hwe enye se omo tie yi ni se omo pese omo di win power o agboro no pese omo di agboro na fo se afrafanto okote no nim so obi no nim so win because hwe obi obeka to se Ghana third force bi betimi aba enye adwuma emma but nipa bi ho ma yo ma dwen se omo no omo besa gari egu Bawumia yi mu is omo target nyina se ma Bawumia ntimi win but there is nipa hu ne se enye nipa ne si hene eye nyame ne si ne se Nyankopon se Bawumia no be wini a onyame ko obefa so de ne ba betena so de ne ba betena so etimi sankofo na mo ba platform bia so na mo discuss mo no mo ko no hwe onipa ho ye na adwena he MPP fo pe ana mebuafu na mebuafu na ya na metan no edi abufuo nko a NDC fo na mo no edi pa na ye hwe se Volta region edi pa no munye free NDC fa so ben edi no my bibia mu we come see defense work na papa kofo ne be ye ma wo Oma kwan nyina papa kofo ne beye efiri efe ne se kwa aflawo nyina papa kofo na na Dubai de ne ahwe de amawu beye ye wo ayi pando e de ekosi de uti ase mi si ade ye wo de a wo bo ho ban na MPP ko ni ye ko bia ye adwen se obi afo se wo no nani ate obi afo so oyo no oyo obi ewi ase ese ne tekrema kra na omonko sen ene tekrema na da wanu no dakoro wo sen enka wo tekrema edi nko a na beba to the sense de bia na yebuafu ana nkrofo ombuafu na se ye krokro wo edi akrokro nkwa ye krokro bia meni mama pan ya adwene 100%
Sister,
oni
thank
pa no
you.
wa ye na adwene hwe so wo do ade a boys yenum a ye do party ye do party ye di echefri ye nkola bremu a eyi efe ne sen friends me make say chalwa tana pants kwa ye nya bi free party mu ye do party ni free yakoma mu ni ye di party na chi ni ye party enu na me ne fa minister kunu ka so ka say wo de wo ne wo MPP sam de ye kakra wo maye nka wo ka bibia na me na to na me wo cha say wo to ade na emfa wo ne di obi beye ne yi wo cha say omo de ya go ade we mu ne say omo party no omo di mu omo ame no omo nya mu fa so no omo na edi sa aburo no nipa bi ho omo ye greed omo nwene enkola omo nwene chima ho omo nwene de enkola ne be ye ho hwe obi si na adwe hwe obi wo ho no ma ho so okoya ankeye ba obeti won se obi if any say honorable kaka say me nko de saa wo me nko me firi mu na mo nipa ne ka so otena mu no wadi abora hwe ewiase wo ho otamfo wonim se nipa asemasi we de wakasa wo mpem asem wonim se nipa we de wo mpem asem fine but do no on kasa wo mpem asem on kasa bibia na so wo hye wo dase no wo titi no wo kekao eve mo mienya sa ne ma no so obi si wo no de wo kwa onko ye party ya matese na kwa bi ti se ase de ebi no firi mu a enye hwe party bi ebi no ko na ebi ba ufu se ensemu ayen krofo yi bi di ni ade ne NDC fa nko mbema kwan akwa ti se the discipline bi anim nipa no nim so ye den kra ye be sa be krokro no na ade bi wo ho ehia krokro ehia discipline MPP mu discipline no e wo fam na first na saa ye mpanifo dan roja mu na asefo ye yi no ensemfu no ye betimi akoso na ko gina bonta wo bie wa no so wo ye yi ano kra na wo mabiem ni obi na be fra enti mo mienya saa ne ma no ana obi kwa ne nkasa ana bi gwa ade esesei bitterness na enu no de he eye internal eyi ni yakoye election ana party bia no nipa de nyina ntimi ya ba ako ne yedi ni bedi yanim na se enye leader awi a ede asem bi ma ede asem bi ma sa pese menkum nyafo no omaye omo so mo de enyo omo a master emom so so bia so enti ehia strong leadership the whole thing na your party mo ye nyina se leadership na ye weak ye ka mo se me nka me efi se mani fiye me hu leadership ye weak to say your party we time we da enu tina mani pa bi yo bia ye de ope ofo so o ya me metimi aye de me pe na meto no ma san aba no ma be ucha se discipline nim kwakwa anyi do onya ndisi nim apa omo papa do mo ekura position e wo NDC nimu na so mo de efo dagbadanti omo de omo se ye omo de eto de den no me pa atọ NDC fo aye aloteje kop no onye chairman
asie du nketie yi na di
na nye chairman Rollins for the party ba ye du ba bi de ne ka kene hwede ne Rollins ma ene ne yire ene party na nya jo ma ama na aye ne dia eti discipline ama na ne mebi na anya ya nipa ne fo se metimi aye de mepe na mkwa ya omo yi obani so omo no omo so omo kọ no munya wo mo fese nipa no 2024 we ya ba ye to ye munim abura nkrofo di wo Ashanti region titiru a
pay 2 million
make sure say
pay 2
Ashanti region hono mayi omo make sure ekotua ho sika e fa nkrofo me say nye say yes yen ya ye dipa ba ko wo yi wo no different camp ye campaign ni we say so ye MPP ni mampanti no be kan ho ni nye campaign o ko door to door campaign o muti friend ka chene say me nko door to door campaign ko ye my friend say Bawumia
yeah.
Edi ti na say we
In fact, we crack as Alex Tetteh say, Oti Bonso, echa 2 million Ghana cedis.
2 million
Ghana cedis to sponsor.
edema electoral commission
party mu wo de na wunyaaye mo sori a mo sori a ma ya mo se bu kresikenti mo bu di papa
Ode mo san
mo bi
go
twa manso ni wieye mo fo se Ghana sa na mo ye obi asase da ba bi ohia ni bi bomode no to ye na titi ni sase no ko ye ya nipa no fo so osika no akosi dance so wonu so wosikenti no ebe kwa akosi hwe akotwe asase ho manso na agu abowa enu nti no ye bitter to the sense of person wo de party na ye wo dia e ka wo business ho mommy anka no kretere damfo na me niam bi wo ho ya na ye mekan ye mahin wo fidi nkrofo ntimi fidi obia ene ba ye no a dum so no ba kro ni mu no eniam akro na ekoso no ba akofo na ebre me ba Ghana voice me ba Ghana umia French say me fra control mu na aba me fro trotro because o pese o ti Ghana nsema o fro trotro ofa left ofa taxi ebia bi na wo di namu wo betensem o ti ase me ba Ghana si anka ncho say me fra control mu na aba uhu da na je se de bia be hia me na de ja se to da bia na nipa boga aba no a waye kontan kakra no o de aye nyesa me uhu da me fro pradia me fro bibia what you say enye baakofo na ye but MPP fo ye twan ye nimu se ye fe ne asema ba ese ye bra ede nko ede na wo mumu ede nko na ya na masa party no aye kura no ye di odo ene ye na di dwonku untimi forso obi se chinchina wa na adwen se manya adwen sakra mesese nchina do ye MPP ni mapo ye MPP ni mapa mesu okokora enye yi but person nkumnya fo no na mekan o ma yese ye de enye am Kofi Oduro so voice Kofi Oduro no wonam ho sa afa no
Onde o
to de ya na ni tibom ana aya ni tibom
minim
wa da do gina ho se obi ba asore wo hwe na tade kwa ya nto na de o sa begina se eja ye de obi ankasa na yi wo Ekufu ado time wa no fia so fiam Ekufu ado time ensem hunu be na wanka ye ka kire mu sese no Ghana fo no mahumu nipa bebre kura ja asore ko voice me se me ba gani obi obuza na se me asore me de nipa bebre ja asore ko because of munti ye hu se mun nyina no ye mafu ehho na mudidi nya oman no ho se mo dwi nipa nya nyame na we se mo yenkọ aman nyina nkọ ka asam nkyere nipa ne ntwe akra amre nyame ene de mo twe akra ma politics ye krakra se manum a na ma ye din e Kofi Oduro omo mo ti na sori dem na ya mente o base ede ensempa no mutie nipa bi wo ho asa akwadwofo na yentimi mo mpaye ne ade tem ye fo so sofo na be bo mpaye ama no ama ne bibia ye yi voice obi nka bi
yo me that say Dr. James, good evening.
Good evening, bro. Macho Mutimenka.
Loud and clear. Daboko.
Yo, where the boko? I'm say, my first time my granny live with
Yeah.
na me that's so akwenya ode mame ode amame na omo nso ama contributing na no so no. I think say it's a very good na media kakra me kan say party ni na ye adwuma ma party ni da na se wo hwe figures na on dynamics na first ye wo no sisi anu on say NDC o ma move from enkofo beto am based on development to affiliation say NDC ni sisi anu mentality ni yen say NDC for na be bibio they have been able to change their mind say it is our belonging like right now no NDC member is monitoring the development biao Mamin Kancho me yajuma the new force cheddar I mean Yomofa as consultant during the 2024 election and you call all the constituencies that were Ghana 276 I think apart from Boku Central and those Pussy Ghana Garuho that time now one stable but all the constituencies are Ghana in Yakonin was a 3-month tour those who follow his campaign was a 3-month tour. Now, Oko grounds, I mean, that was also part of the reason why people losing go because most of the guys now no more new force, no, were not just ordinary voters. The 100,000 voting at Cheddar, they were not just ordinary Ghanaian voters. These were the NPP guys who were those days working for the various constituencies, and then they came there. I think there was financing, and they were not so different. But Siciano, NDC based, and yet development, and see. I don't know how our MPP is crafting it in such a way. Say, the MPP, it doesn't matter. Say, your basic bridge waha, your basic interchange waha, your the police because NDC is not voting on those things again. Oh my God, from what should the vote difference from 2020 and 2024? I don't know when you can. Oh my God, vote baby it's the same 6 million.
even new voters cry don't can between the period no cry no. Omo say then be cry nka ho.
Yeah.
So they have been able to maintain. Omo imagine say that 6 million core voters no. Omo maintain it, and they are still there. The only thing on Ben so many kakra the account. What want me anya what them biti. They now do code 6.7 what baby no there. Then MPP is in trouble. And they've done that on ideological base. And yeah, development. Oko Upper West. I don't know when you're 11/11. Upper West is one of the poorest region of Ghana. Be no. We were and they be getting to the border now from ho baby a active kakra. Laura Drapa a whole district district capital bro. It is a Ashanti region town be a work council baby a way. But they don't care. Like it is NDC, it is ours. We are voting on tribal lines, we are voting on ethnic line, and that ideology. Nama makase I say yeah MPP at the I say I then I want to me find China then yeah NDC there no tra development, but the base of the MPP no MPP won't to me MPP platform in try and throw some money into that MPP problem na yenya over the years no because MPP my year 2008 first and second 2012 my year 2016 my year 2020 won't me MPP platform so enko put even data enko try and throw that you'll be subjected like who the people to MPP platforms so you have to make sure that you have your facts right. Answer they won't even mind you. They will not even take you serious the next time. But on the NDC platform, bro, you also be anything they put there, they consume it like something, and they are quick to.
So, what should be the strategy from your view?
We have to also go the dirty politics. You move away from the too gentle politics. Yeah, they can't we are. Yes, so you're tribal. Yes, so you're ethnic. Yes, so you're religious. Omoma you so long where for anybody to think to vote Amewu out of Huawei is insane.
Yeah.
Who enter Huawei in the night, you will be amazed. I know Huawei from before and after. Intino, Oma movie from Intino, I said, yeah, so that dirty politics, and say, if they want to brand the MPP as a camp party, it's not only a candle, there's another segment. If they want to brand it that way, yeah, accept it. Bro, because by data, the accounts are many. Accounts are in Western Central, Eastern Ashanti, Ahafo, Bono, part of Bunu East. The accounts are there, Oti. Into some person more branding the sa. Oko get accounts in the other tribe. I'm just on 50-50. So, enti bro, so yan tum. Na you make sure that you come from so be out to say yansu ye die na ye ma omumen because they are ono and this in catch we say men ko to aba man because wa mba ya hwe no bisa ho say wo catch and this in so mon ko to aba man this because wa mba ya hwe obetie ontie da ono no krom voter region then pa na ho for those of you who know voter region and then pa apart from hone those areas kakra bia kwando kakra bia there is nothing there. But I don't want to be convinced with the media. Yeah, sure, mami over the years, even though we give them over 90% vote, no. And to mean changing them to my debate, my BM. Look at what MPP have done in voter region over the years. But on it, and it is an essence you to say, yes, I can for Yanjin Tum. Sadena de Bia Caso, yeah, trouble, Debbie. If we are able to convince our accounts to even support us, yeah, winning. And my boot young, you know, try that lines number somebody corner. You know, I'm corner, sir.
Right.
So, yeah, yes, I pet. Omonomu de no win because that campaign no yo musuru ho. As one in your call into me kasa. Yan call from representing or that top one. Bro mun to me kasa papa bia ho. Because it's intimidation ho. Dominance other tribe into no. Oh yeah, it is a MPP near our Upper West. Oh influence so
yeah.
It will take a revolution be and find it menya ntina e ho na etimi gi seat be 1 or 2 bi ye nche ni ase o ma ase agi ni nyina because be mpo na o mo member bi wo ho na o ma hu se wa watimi a break through na ya consider na the man but naturally o mo hu se o mo nya part of MPP like when MPP is in power they don't feel any belonging they feel say they are aliens
Yeah.
When MPPs in power, they feel say omu ya ho right now, like omu yembu. So my imagine say lalai and found wo somewhere the yeah man MPP mother. So what then yensu intimi that sense and say yensu yankro for because one of the reasons you penny yankro for say when we came to power, it wasn't about the job. What wasn't about in your man can say placement, ya mama job na ya yewe. It wasn't about that. It was about the belonging.
Yeah.
Young Crawford were not feeling say your power. Like who MPP member? What was the difference? There was nothing. Who call any officer? You are ordinary person. Maybe you could be a school placement. Who you ordinary contract now pay and no crown also you ordinary person. High school keke. Na and this come platform so positions in a place even high school ne sa teacher placement no. Omo cha omo platform said in you. Now they about to about say obi apply. It is a lie. That thing doesn't work. High school placement, chess schools no more law entrance, university entrance. So much penetrate universities entrance. They are pushing their people everywhere. So, enti say to me, na yenyi to me na say bro, say yaba power. Na ya man yenko for amfili. Say obi kwa there was a time am say Western North. Na obi say onu kwa no electoral area coordinator. Say chairman say ne already so betu ampo am say SS placement wo de mo obetua bi say na nkofo tua no but wo de mo ma mo fa ne ba nto school eno kwa yamfi no MPP ni a o ye recognize yenim say wa ye adwuma yeah nti bro yetimi ya ma nkofo na belong say this is our party. If we come to power, you let them feel we are members of the party. Now you treat and say, you know, Ghana for mentality. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for that one. I think quite straightforward pointer I'm making. FB, for job me bare 4 minutes, be now minty anchor breathing so.
Yo, well, voice medasi na say nsɛm no bi wɔ hɔ a na ebi mu aka a mede kakra bɛka ho. Say MPP problems no started 2021. Abra Nanado second term the coin. Sorry, we nearly lost that particular election. Na adeɛ baako a ɛha adwen bebree ɛwɔ party no mu indiscipline. Na indiscipline no started from the grassroots to the top. Ekwa akosi MPs ni national executives ni nyinaa so. She say, yeah, MPs they are the people who are even benefiting a lot from the party. The fact say, Professor Michael Kwe, Embra Beye speaker, na ebi mu fi so woman ne nya adwenti no. Sorry, na yetumi akọ ne akọ aba abra ye ne e power ne akọ aba ne e di ama NDC ni say on na Beye speaker. That is where your problems in the city. Imagine say why is that way. Party na dear pa na dear yo. Benefit you know, when you go to the grassroots, who MP you know, you benefit more than those at the grassroots. Into who no dear ya simply because it be a papa no penance man answer why BB and a BB because I'm on painting no more to me because a party in a dinaba. Maka mo dear, but party no so dinaba say person no call. Now the end ya kwakoto sa de no de inti problems say when people muna air course ni no I will blame some of them on the heads of the MPs. One can who be na masa indiscipline because that particular issue that happened, it was one of the indiscipline in the MPP. Man for moon free dear. And also, and people are talking anyhow. Me and I mean say we need to get leaders one more respected. One more kasa man phone suti. A man phone to me kasa woman in hearts anyhow.